Hi students, in this tutorial I want to talk about inheritance in programming. So look at these classes here. So for example, we have this first class called A. This is actually the base class and we call it grandfather, right? So look at the second class here, and this class is actually called intermediate class, and this is actually father. So look at the relationship between these two classes. Class A is actually pointing to the class B, right? So this is actually a hierarchy, and this means that the class B can actually inherit from the class A. So what does inherit means here? Here, this means that the class B can access all features and behaviors of the class A. So it's as simple as that. So when I say the class B is actually inheriting from the class A, this means that there is an is-or relationship between these two classes. So what does that mean? This means that the class B is actually a class A. Let me repeat again. When I say class B inherits from class A, there is an is-or relationship between these two classes, and this means that the class B is actually class BA. So I can actually access all the features and behaviors of the class A when I am inheriting from the class A. So now look at the class C. So this is actually called the derived class, and we call it the child, right? So the class C actually inherits from the class B, right? And the class B inherits from the class A. So here let me tell you that the class C directly inherits from the class B and indirectly inherits from the class A. And this means that there is an is-or relationship between the class C and B, and also there is an is-or relationship between the class C and the class A. So what does that mean? This means that the class C is a class B and the class C is actually a class A. There is an is-or relationship here. So look at this hierarchy here. You can see this relationship here. You can see this is-or relationship here, and that is inheritance. And that is as simple as that. It's not actually a complex concept in programming. It's very simple. So we have a base class, we have the intermediate class, and we have actually the derived class. So hopefully that makes sense. In the later in the course, I'll talk more about this concept more. But for now, I just wanted to give you a theory about this concept. So don't worry if you didn't get what I actually told you. So I think that's enough for this tutorial. And if you have any questions about this inheritance concept in programming, please post a discussion in the course, and then I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.